Just like that, my friends, 5:34. We are out the door on our way to the project today. Wow, I'm doing a lot of rhyming right here. That's kind of cool. Anyways, pretty friggin' cold outside. Trying not to chatter my teeth here. Got out of there reasonably quick. Had all the things packed from the night before. Gotta love that. Little preparation goes a long way. Anyways, positioned myself pretty poorly here. It's 5:30 in the morning and I need to go pump some gas like a friggin' idiot. Is it pump 3 as well there? Yeah, that's it. Be on credit, please. Well, quick story time here. When I showed up here, I started pumping gas. There was these 2 kids and they showed up on electric scooters. Of course, they're children. They can't drive a car. They're too young. Anyways, man, these kids show up and they are like fully ready to rock. And what do they buy at 5:30 in the morning at a truck stop? They buy 2 extra large slushies, man. These kids are insane. For the record, it's -5 out. It's not warm whatsoever. And they were on electric scooters, so they're friggin' freezing, I'll tell you that. Anyways, respect the hustle, kid. Well done, I guess. Super hard to believe how rough these carpets are. I don't even understand the last time they were cleaned or vacuumed or anything. It seemed like they didn't even pass the vacuum one time over the span of like the 2 years that they lived there. So I don't know what's up with that. I don't know why they did that, but of course they look absolutely terrible. And that's why they gotta go. Check out this new vinyl flooring that's going to be installed. Alright, man, I'm not gonna lie. That took forever, or it felt like it took forever. Really not that bad, ripping up all that carpet. But now, of course, I'm left with a bunch of carpet underlay, and this is where things could get squirrely. I didn't really take into account that the whole thing, obviously the carpet was gonna be glued on top of the underlay, but I wasn't tracking that the underlay was gonna be glued to the ground. So, whew. Yeah, that just probably added a lot of extra work that just doesn't really need to happen. But anyways, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it's not that bad. Check it out here. I guess we'll see in a second. Got a couple tools here. Fuck. Yeah, it's not looking good. Oh, that's not gonna work. All right, well, that's... Dude. What's the plan here, folks? This is not gonna happen, is it? What the Ladies and gentlemen, I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do now. This is gonna suck a whole lot. I have to get all this underlay off the ground. It's all glued down, literally everywhere I look. Trying not to rage right now, but ooh. I'm not gonna lie, this is tough frickin' work, man. I really wish I didn't have to do this part of this. I was obviously expecting it to not be glued down. Yeah, I'm definitely over halfway done this whole scraping of this carpet padding, but like, dude, it's starting to take a toll, man. It's, yeah, this sucks. That's it. It just sucks, dude. And you know, it's funny because every time you jump into a project like this, it's always like, okay, well, what is this project gonna bring for me? Is it gonna be good? Am I gonna run into some conflict? Is it gonna get crazy? Is it gonna get out of hand? Or is it gonna be like super smooth, effortlessly, bingo bango, in, out, change the floor, done? So you never truly do know. And this is a great example because boy, did I ever not know.
Your perky pouting lips don't put your love on me. I beg and bribe to get to you, but how much can I pay? Jump on the direct express, let's make it right. Don't be a spoiled brat, baby, get out tonight. Jump on the direct express, let's make it right. Don't be a spoiled brat, baby.
11:30 now. I'm doing my absolute best not to freak the out. Feel like I'm about to have a panic attack. I'm definitely about to have a rage attack. I feel like I'm 5 years old in kindergarten. Some punk ass kid just stole my dinosaur. I'm fucking freaking out over here.
Come on, baby, you know what I want.
Okay, there it is, packing it up for the day here. I got 3:47. That means I did 8.5 hours trying to get that fucking carpet padding up. Dude, I couldn't tell you how frustrating that friggin' day was. I feel like I put in an honest and true work day here. Very frickin' frustrating. I'll say it 1,000 times. But hey, you know what, man? I made it happen. I pretty much pissed the entire day away doing that today. I did intend on staying there quite a bit later today, but we got some nasty weather coming in, freezing rain. Anyways, signing off for now. I will see you tomorrow. All right, guys, I am back on day numero 2 for the old laying floor project. Yesterday did not go to plan. I'm hoping today it can. I'm still doing the rhyming thing, love it. 9:24 in the morning, quite a bit of a later start than yesterday. I wasn't joking, it's like a frickin' winter wonderland out there. Ice palace everywhere I look. Check this out. Totally crazy, man. Look at this, there's a frickin' full-blown tree in the road. Sheesh. Yeah, dude, I was not joking.
just like that, this whole project is completed. I got all that carpet ripped up, the underlay gone, flooring down and quarter round installed throughout. Oh, let's not forget transition strips over here, and then 3 other locations over there. Not only does it look a million times better, it actually smells a million times better too. Obviously, that carpet was just disgusting. It looked gross, it smelled gross, everything about it was gross. And to make matters worse, we were in a basement apartment, so just the overall vibe was really crusty and musty. Now that I got all that vinyl plank flooring laid, this really does just give off like a normal, regular apartment vibe. Nothing crusty, nothing musty, doesn't smell. In fact, looks really friggin' good. Not to mention, I probably just added tens of thousands of dollars in equity to this property, so I can't complain about that as well. Anyways, enough with all the talking, let's get into the final review. This style of build/renovation content, feel free to check out my other videos. I've done quite a few projects in the past, but that's gonna be it for this video. So signing off for now. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace. Oh, YouTube thinks you should watch these videos next. Yep, watch them. Do it. Like it.